The Intercept oral specimen collection device is part of an FDA-cleared drugs of abuse testing system. Once a proper collection is conducted, the sample is shipped to the laboratory for lab analysis and reporting. The collection device consists of two parts: the Intercept oral specimen collection pad and the Intercept oral specimen collection vial. The collection pad is designed to collect oral fluid from between the lower cheek and gum. The white pad contains low levels of common salt to help generate oral fluid and shorten the collection time. The device has an easy-to-grip handle with a flag to help ensure the proper orientation of the pad in the lower cheek. The specimen vial contains a blue liquid which is a preservative solution. This solution ensures a 21-day stability before it must be tested at the lab. This provides ample time for shipment of samples beyond the date of collection. The vial itself is designed to accommodate the tamper-evident seal provided by the lab. Oral fluid collection with the Intercept collection device is an easy three-step procedure. Just swab, snap, and seal. Then, off to the lab for analysis. Prior to collecting the sample, explain the procedure to the donor. Verify the donor's identity via a company photo ID or driver's license. In order to ensure that the sample is not compromised, make sure the donor has had nothing in the mouth for at least 10 minutes prior to collection. No eating, drinking, or chewing. If the donor has had anything in his or her mouth within the last 10 minutes, wait 10 minutes prior to beginning the collection process. Have all supplies on hand. This includes the Intercept collection device, Intercept collection procedure card, lab specimen bag, lab chain of custody form with tamper seal, a timer capable of timing at least 5 minutes, and any shipping supplies needed to get the sample to the lab. Check the expiration date on the outer packet of the Intercept collection device before proceeding. Place the specimen vial on a flat surface in view of the donor. Open the outer package. Have the donor open the inner package and remove the collection device by the plastic handle. Have the donor place the collection device between the lower cheek and gum with the blue flag facing up. Then, gently rub the pad back and forth along the gum line until the pad is moist. Once moist, leave the collection pad between the cheek and gums. Be sure the blue flag is pointing up. Begin timing. During the 5-minute collection, complete all sections of the chain of custody form. After 5 minutes, have the donor open the specimen vial in an upright position with the tip pointed downward by gently rocking the cap back and forth to avoid spilling the contents. Then, instruct the donor to push the pad into the specimen vial as far as it will go and carefully snap the collection wand against the side of the vial. Instruct the donor not to tilt or spill the fluid inside. Instruct the donor to place the cap onto the vial until it snaps. This will ensure a secure fit. Peel back a tamper-evident seal from the COC form. Instruct the donor to place it across the top of the specimen vial and down the sides. The donor will then date and initial in the spaces provided on the seal. In some drug testing policies, it is recommended that the collector dates the sample seal to eliminate any attempt by the donor to compromise the sample by putting the wrong date in. Place the sealed specimen vial and the lab copy of the COC form into the specimen bag. Seal the bag. Distribute the remaining copies of the COC forms per company policy. Place the sealed bag in a lab pack or mailing envelope. Attach the air bill, and your specimen is ready for courier pickup. Intercept oral fluid drug testing goes through the same lab process as urine testing. The collected sample follows the same strict chain of custody as urine samples. The lab also runs the same two-tiered testing process. The sample first goes through an immunoassay screen where all negative samples are reported. Then, presumptive positive samples are confirmed by gas chromatography or liquid chromatography and mass spectrometry testing. Results then go through a certifying review and third-party medical review officer in accordance with your drug testing policy and state laws. The challenge process is also the same as with urine. Split samples or retests are possible. Standard documentation packages are available from the lab. The only difference is that you are collecting a different type of specimen.